When you're assembling an engine or other driveline components, consistent and proper torque on your fasteners is critical. ARP's Ultra Torque Fastener Assembly Lubricant is designed to make sure every bolt and stud achieves the target preload on the first torque cycle. Inside the bottle, you get a precision-formulated 100% metal-free lubricant that prevents seizing and galling while providing great wear resistance and, most importantly, provides consistent and repeatable performance when torquing your fasteners. Ultra Torque Fastener Assembly Lubricant stabilizes preload within 5% between a group of fasteners and has a 360-degree melting point. You can get Ultra Torque in multiple sizes, like a larger bottle for the shop or just a small blister pack for a single installation. Get ARP's Ultra Torque the next time you're putting critical components back together on your engine or driveline. Ultra Torque is the go-to for those who demand precision.